The blind rivet is a mechanical fastening consisting of a body and a nail. Regarding the body, several types of head can be realized. Different types of nail. For a correct junction of the components, it is essential that the diameter of the hole meets the technical specifications. The riveting operation consists of the expansion of the body, caused by the nail introduction in it point. The operation ends with the complete clamping of the parts to be joined. There is a wide range of different products for materials, dimensions, coloring and application functionality. This rivet allows to clamp different thicknesses by a single length of rivet, reducing the necessity to keep several sizes stored. It is especially suitable for inexact or ovalized diameters. This item has the same characteristics as the multi-grip multi-rivets and reaches high values of mechanical resistance. Good resistance to vibrations. Retained nail. No. By the shearing, bolts, nail and body turn into one single structure, giving high resistance to mechanic loads. This rivet is especially suitable for joining any soft materials such as plastic, hides, cardboard, wood, drill tile, etc. During the fastening, the body splits into several parts, assuring a good fastening on irregular surfaces too. This special rivet, in addition to the usual expansion action, makes a folded seam on the wall of the hole in which it is placed. The closed-end body is the main feature of this rivet, that results then sealed against liquid penetration. Rivet manufactured entirely in aluminium. Its particular shape, together with the presence of the portion of spindle along the entire rivet body, allows the use on soft and/or fragile materials, such as plastic, composites and aluminium, even on thin thicknesses, which require high mechanical strengths.